Assalamualaikum. Today we are making a delicious and super flavorful dish, soy marinated egg, or also known as Mayak egg. This recipe is easy to follow and the egg come out perfectly soft and savory. Let's get started. First we're going to boil 8 eggs. To make peeling easier, add a splash of vinegar to the water. Once the water starts to gently bubble with light steam coming off the top, carefully place your egg in and boil them for exactly 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, turn off the heat and transfer the egg into cool water. This will stop the cooking and cool the eggs, making them easier to peel later. While the eggs are cooling, let's prepare the other ingredient. Chop 20 grams of chives. Dice 1 white onion. And slice both the green and red horn chilies. If you want it to be spicier, you can use spicy chili to add in. So here is our ingredient. Now let's making the soy sauce mixture. In a pot, combine 250 ml of water and 200 ml of soy sauce. Add 20 ml of vinegar. Bring this mixture to a boil. Once the mixture is boiling, add 5 tablespoons of sugar. Stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. Then turn off the heat and let it cool. While the soy sauce mixture is cooling, peel the eggs. They should be perfectly soft inside after a 6-minute boil. Once the soy sauce mixture has cooled, add the chopped chive, diced onions, sliced chili, and finally 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seed. Stir everything together and there you have it. Your marinade is ready. Now place the peeled egg into a glass jar or plastic container. Pour the soy sauce mixture over the eggs, making sure they are fully submerged. You can enjoy this soy marinade egg after just 2 hours. But for the best flavor, let them sit in the fridge overnight. Here we have our soy marinade egg after resting overnight. Look how beautifully the marinade has soaked into the egg. These eggs are savory, slightly sweet, and packed with flavor. You can store them in the fridge for 5 to 7 days, and if you finish the egg, you can boil more and reuse the marinade. Let's cut one open to reveal the perfect soft yolk inside. So tender and delicious. And here we are with our today recipe, Mayak egg or soy sauce egg. Look at this. So tingling. Okay, let's give it a try. The egg is still sunny. Let's get some rice with it. Alright. Bismillah. The soft egg is rich with the creamy yolk and the white is still firm and chewy. Very nice. You can taste the salty, sweet, spicy from the soy sauce since we soak it overnight. It's nice. It's very flavorful. It's very flavorful. It's very fragrant too. It's really irresistible. Some more, this dish is very simple and easy to do. Wow, I cannot believe this taste is this good. This is Mayak egg or soy sauce egg. You can pair it with steamed rice or noodle or anything you want. It's still delicious. If you finish the egg inside, don't throw the soy sauce. You can still boil the egg and put it and ferment it for 1 more day. Then you can get the same flavorful. You can get same result. So you can keep refilling and refilling, and you can store it in the fridge for around 7 to 10 days. Very simple and convenient. You should try this at home. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss out our new recipe together. If you have anything to say, comment, like or feedback, or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.